Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. It's around 11 am and the temperature is 27 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is a neighborhood at U Visara Road in Sanchong Township, Yangon. U Visara was a Burmese Buddhist monk who died in prison after a 166-day hunger strike against the British rule in Burma. The monk had been repeatedly imprisoned and tortured by the British colonial government for inciting sedition and forced to wear plain clothes and abandon religious observances. The monk is commemorated today with the U Visara Road, a major avenue in Yangon, and the U Visara Monument in Yangon. This is a neighborhood at Bagai Street in Sanchong Township, Yangon. Sanchong Township is in the north-central part of Yangon. The township comprises 18 wards and shares borders with Kamai Township in the north, Kamai Township and Bahan Township in the east, Kimindang Township in the west, and Dagon Township and Ahalon Township in the south. Total area of this township is 2.47 square kilometer. This is a small park in the neighborhood. The township has 19 primary schools, 2 middle schools and 4 high schools. Dagon Center 1 and 2 are shopping malls inside the township where there are many restaurants, fashion shops and Mingala cinema. Other recreational spaces include Happy World Recreation Center and People's Park. Let's go to visit a Buddhist temple in the neighborhood. This is the entrance of the temple. You must put off your shoes before entering into the temple. It's a very beautiful architectural design of the temple. It's a wonderful scenic view of temple premises. Let's walk across the temple and enjoy the atmosphere. This is a residence of monks. Beautiful greenery in front of the temple premises. It enhances the beauty of the temple. Wonderful statue of Lord Buddha. It's a peaceful atmosphere indeed. This is another residence of monks inside temple premises. Wonderful sound of waterfall. This was donated by a person from India. This was donated by Peter Leong and family from Bangalore, India. That is a Hindu temple in the neighborhood which is under construction. Nice architectural design of the temple. People are chit-chatting and taking their food. This is a mini mart in the neighborhood. People are getting into the bus. A street vendor is preparing betel leaf. People are eating street food sitting beside the road. A cleaner is cleaning the road. Let's enjoy today's traffic atmosphere of Yangon city. We have reached at downtown Yangon. That's it from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.